Here I have Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus, and let me show you how to accomplish here the hard reset operation. Let me show you how to bypass and remove pattern, password, fingerprint or other screen lock method on the following device. So at the very beginning, let's start by pressing the power key. Here let's choose restart and tap restart again. Now you need to start holding power key, volume up and Bixby. So let's hold down those three keys and release them as soon as Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus logo pops up. Now we need to wait a few seconds until the Android system recovery pops up, and that's it. Here you can navigate by using both volume keys and confirm options by pressing power key. Let's scroll down here to choose wipe data factory reset and press power button to choose it. Now confirm the operation by scrolling down to yes and press power key to confirm the operation. Right now the device is erasing all personal stuff, customized settings and installed apps. As soon as Android system recovery pops up, let's simply press power key to reboot system now. And the device is restarting and booting into a normal mode, so you have to wait a couple of seconds until you will be able to use your device. Excellent, the welcome panel just pops up, and as you can see there is no pattern or a password, so you can start easily activate and start using your device. Thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel, leave thumbs up under the video.